Hello everyone, welcome to Yarn Bowl. Today we'll see how to create this beautiful statement earring using Tunisian crochet. For this project I'm using Karen Simply Soft Yarn and I'm using a 2mm crochet hook. So we'll go ahead, create a magic ring, and in that magic ring I'm going to create 8 single crochet. Then I'll be joining with the first single crochet using a slip stitch. Just tighten the magic ring and secure it with the knot later. So we are doing a slip stitch. So next we'll be doing a chain 1 and then find the third loop. I've attached the picture of what third loop is, and then pull through. You have 2 loops in the hook. Then normally insert your hook in the next single crochet, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you have 2 stitches. Then first insert the hook in the third loop of the first stitch, pull through the loop, then insert the hook in the third loop of the next stitch, pull through the loop. You have 3 loops in the hook. Then insert the hook in the next single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You do this thrice. So now we'll have 3 stitches, so we have to pull through the 3 third loops. So we have now 4 loops in our crochet hook, and then we insert in the next single crochet and do the same process over again. You yarn over, pull through 2 loops until you have 1 loop in the crochet hook. So repeat this process one more time. So each time 1 loop will increase because we have 1 stitch extra. So now we have 5 loops in the hook. Insert the hook in the next single crochet. So we do this entire process 6 times with 1 increment of stitch, so that we have a leaf like or a feather like pattern. So now we have to, I think we have to do one more time. So this time we will have 6 loops in our crochet hook. That's 2 loops, 3 loops, 4 loops, 5 loops, and then 6 loops. See, now we'll insert the hook in the next single crochet stitch. So altogether we'll have 7 loops. You have to yarn over, pull through 2 loops until you have 1 loop in your crochet hook. So I think we are done. We have a beautiful leaf or feather like pattern which we can use it for our crochet earring. Just go ahead, secure all your knots and cut off the excess yarn. So now I have created one more pattern like this. We have 2 sets for our earrings. Now I've attached some of the jewelry making supplies, the hoop and some essence. So these are the other earrings. that I've created using the same crochet stitch. Hope you liked the video. Please try it at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click the bell icon. Thank you.